Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to increase brightness in Once Human. First of all, launch open the Once Human game on your device to get started. After you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner to open up this expanded menu. Now, click on Settings. From the Settings menu that appears on the screen, click on Graphics on the left corner. Under Graphics, you'll see Brightness option. Go ahead and drag the slider under Brightness towards the right to increase the brightness in the game, or if you want to decrease the brightness, you can simply drag it towards the left. Go ahead and select the brightness you'd like to use, and then once you are done, you can head back to the game and you will notice the brightness has been increased. So that is how you can easily increase the brightness in Once Human and enjoy your gameplay with clearer visuals. If this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.